young gem explorers. Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of gemstones. Get ready to discover some precious treasures. On to the amethyst. Amethyst. Amethysts are a beautiful purple color, associated with royalty and spirituality. They're as enchanting as a magical spell. Let's discover the topaz next. Topaz. Topazes come in a range of colors, from golden yellow to sky blue. They're as radiant as a warm sunrise. Moving forward to the opal. Opal. Opals display a unique play of colors, resembling a kaleidoscope. They're as mesmerizing as a dream. Finally, we've arrived at the garnet. Garnet. Garnets are typically red, symbolizing passion and energy.